this lesson is 10.2 homework in Go Math. The title is Classify Triangles by Angles. The directions say to classify each triangle, write acute, right, or obtuse. All right, so if we look at example A, think angles A and C are both, what are they?
Acute.
Acute. Now we just have to look at angle B. Oh, what is it?
Obtuse.
Yeah, so if any angle is obtuse, that makes that triangle obtuse. So that's why it was that. Let's look at, I think number 2 has a pretty awesome clue for you. So I'll let you do that one. 3 looks like an upside down A. Okay, that's a good way to help you remember too. Now let's look at all of the angles. Say it with me. Acute, acute, acute. Oh, if all 3 angles are acute, that makes the triangle
Acute.
good. Okay, all right, yes, acute. All right, number 4, we have acute, acute.
Obtuse.
All right. Okay, very good. Number 5. Now this is, let's read the directions. You'll miss this if you don't read the directions. All right, it says use figures A, B, C, D below. Okay, it's a quadrilateral, right? 4 sides. Draw a line segment from point B to point D. Point B to point D. Okay? All right, very good. Name and classify the triangles formed. Wait, do we have to name and classify them?
Yeah.
Okay, so we should write triangle and triangle. All right. So what could I name this top one? Not A, B, D, C because it's a triangle, right? I could do A, B, D. Would that work?
Yeah.
Yep. D, A, B would also work. Okay, and I'm going to let you do the bottom one. You get to name this one right here. All right, I'm just going to talk through number 6 with you. It says draw and label an example of a right triangle, an acute triangle, and an obtuse triangle. So you need to have draw and label an example of a right triangle. Does that mean it needs to have letters on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, because you need to draw and label it. All right, go ahead and do this now.